G'day viewers, I came across a big white venomous sea snake when I was snorkeling this morning. I didn't realise how dangerous they were. According to Willie the lifeguard, you've got 7 seconds, 7 minutes or 7 hours till you're dead. G'day viewers, we're off for an early morning snorkel before breakfast. Hoping to see some tropical fish and nice corals. Here we are about to have a snorkel. Check out if we can see some nice tropical fish and hopefully a turtle.
I remember the day when we started talking. We were kids and I knocked down all of your mobiles, but you did not.
The banded sea krait, or yellow-lipped sea krait, is a highly venomous snake found in tropical Indo-Pacific oceanic waters. The snake has distinctive black stripes and a yellow snout with a paddle-like tail for use in swimming. It spends most of its time underwater to hunt, but returns to land to digest, rest, and reproduce. It has very potent neurotoxic venom, which it uses on its prey, usually eels and small fish. Because of its affinity to land, the yellow-lipped sea krait often encounters humans, but the snake is not aggressive and only attacks when feeling threatened. Here we are snorkeling at Punta Bunga Beach on Boracay. This is down near the rocks at Crimson Resort. As you look out to the ocean, it's the rocks on the left-hand side of the beach there. And as you can see, there's some stunning coral colours. The colours here of the coral are as good as I've seen anywhere in the Philippines, with just lots of greens and blues and golds. Absolutely outstanding. If you're enjoying this video, like and subscribe. Now we go up to the northern end of Punta Bunga Beach, out from the Shangri-La. Up here we saw some absolutely beautiful big coloured clams. They're about 60 to 80 centimetres long, and they've got beautiful green aqua colours and blues and greens. They're very spectacular. There's 6 big clams up outside of the Shangri-La. The way you can find them is to line up the lifeguard tower out the front of the Shangri-La and swim out directly from there about 100 metres, and you'll see the clams there. There's 6 big clams out there, and as I said, spectacular in colour, and they're about 60 to 80 centimetres in size. We have a nice starfish, nice blue starfish, a lighter coloured one. From the clams, if you head towards the northern end of the beach, about 20 metres from the rocks, you'll see the Nemo fish coming out of the brown reeds, and then the Nemo fish coming out of the white reeds. Only small, but they're very spectacular in colour and very famous Nemo. Washing all the salt water off after a snorkel. Otherwise she gets a rash on her torso and upper legs if she doesn't wash the salt water off. How was your snorkel, Annie?
Great. Great. Lots of fish, nice corals.
Good. G'day viewers, this is Ando&Annie. If you found this video entertaining and helpful, please like and subscribe.
Living the dream.